Hi friends, in this video we will see the final close volume. So in part 1 we have seen the working on a surface. In part 2 we seen closing surface creation, and part 3 also closing surface creation. In part 4 all these areas are created, and now in this area we have small projection. Just I am removing it. So I am going to previous one, so you can able to see the help of join, why we are using multiple joints. So I am just changing here and replacing the surface. So just I removed it so that without any issue it is updated. So that small projection is not there. Now I can create my flange without any issue. So in upcoming videos we will see the attachment strategy for this front bumper. So this is the final part for the volume creation. As I told earlier, I have taken this input surface from the GrabCAD. This is the surface of McLaren bumper. So this one is the front bumper. If I got rear bumper, I will create one more video. Please like and share my YouTube channel. Subscribe the channel. If you want any parts need to create, just mention in the comment. So I am maintaining the angle for the sweep throughout same. So everywhere I am using the sweep with the reference surface. By using that itself I am getting the proper profile. Just I am renaming it as a C surface around grill for easy understanding of the surfaces. When you are working on the surface, after some time if you open the surface you will miss where you have created the surface. So while creating itself, give proper naming so that it will be helpful for you in future also. I am creating one more geometric result for the close volume. Close volume is nothing but trimming the bumper A surface and B surface and C surface. The A surface and C surface you can do two options. One is like you can trim it or you can do the join. But advisable operation is like trim. If you have any small projections or something, it will get eliminated in trim option. If you do join, right, it will have some issues, means it will be reflect at the last. So better go for the trim option instead of join. So trim I have done for the top C surface and with the bumper front surface, studio surface. So now I am just checking whether it is properly trimmed or not. Yeah, without any issue it trimmed. So I am going for the areas of grill and fog lamp area. to trim it properly on the A surface. Once A surface trimming is done, then we need to pull the B surface, and then finally it will get trimmed properly. So I have trimmed the C surface with A surface. Just I am creating one join and changing the color for easy understanding. So if your profile is properly created, then you won't find any trimming issues. If you are a beginner, you will face some issues, but if you have proper practice, you can able to create the part without issue in the first level itself. So in designing you need to maintain proper practice. So I am trimming the B side surface with the AC surface. I am creating one more join for the future use. I am just renaming it for proper understanding. As I told, if you are working on the surface, the namings will help you to edit in later stages. So maintain proper tree structure. It will avoid confusion. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Like and comment. So I'm renaming this AC and B surface trimming surface. So once it is done, just I need to do the symmetry operation. If I don't have any issue, I will create the close volume. If I face any issue in symmetry, I have to work on it. Just I am turning symmetry operation by using the ZX plane. So I have done join. If you are closing any surface, you need to cross check that closed surface by using the boundary option. If you get error for boundary, then your surface joined properly. If you are not getting error and boundary is created, then you need to work on that area. Just I am cross checking, and now you can able to see the boundary issues on this ZX plane area. So how we are going to resolve it? So these things we will see. So we need to go for trial and error method. I am splitting this center area once again. If any small pieces is there, it will go, and then once again I will see. I am just replacing this trim 7 by split, so that without any issue my surfaces will get updated. So that is so only you can able to do the replace. So still I am having issue. Next I am increasing the join value to see whether that issue is resolved or not. Still I am having issue. So on these edges I am having some connectivity issue. Small gap is there. Just once again I am increasing the surface value, join value. Still I am facing this boundary issue. So next I am going to try so material is not there. So what I am trying is, like, I will just extrapolate this area and once again I will trim it, I will split it, and then I will do the symmetry so that this material issue will get resolved, and then finally I can do my close volume and thickening the part. So just I am extending these edges by 0.5 mm. So once again I am splitting this one. So now you see I am getting the error of boundary. So my profile is proper now. Now I can go for the close volume of the part. So I will create a solid body of this part. So we don't have any issue in this center area. Just I am deleting this boundary and renaming this one to please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. In part model you need to go for closed volume option. So I am just changing to bumper thickening. In next part we will see the attachment strategy of this bumper. So by how many snaps we are going to have and how many fasteners we are going to have, we will see. What is the design criteria for the bumper also we will see in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.